Hello guys, today we are going to open this watch, which is Levi's clock speaker watch. For this, what we have to do, see, this is the watch. It's completely working. First we have to use this to open this one and push from here, and now it can be opened, and you will see like this. Now we have nut bolts over here, which we will open. After opening all this, now we will open the upside like this. From both sides we will remove it. Now we have nut over here, which we will open. After opening this, this will come up, and now we will remove this by extracting from here and here and here and here. Now we will remove this. Now you can see this watch, which is open. Here is the machine which displays the output, and this is the cell we have used. Like, you can check if your cell is not working, then you can buy this cell. If something is fishy here, you can use to check the connection here, over here. Now you can see this watch. We can also remove it like this, like this. And the last one, this one. After removing all these three, you can see it here. Like, we have this one left, and we have opened all these things. You can check. This is the upper side of the clock, and this is the sound speaker, and this is the machine which shows the time. As it was fully charged, it's showing time. Thank you guys. Please like this video if you like it and it helped you for opening your watch. Thank you guys.